Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel, well, then you know what to do. In today's episode we will be continuing with the actual hubs, and we need to remove the inner bearing races, the ones that are basically left on the shaft. So one in each corner. And I didn't really have any success with the bearing pullers. They are broken, etc., etc. So I think I will have to go old school and cut a small slit in it so that I can wedge it open with a screwdriver and then get it off, or just grind carefully through the material in one or two places, and yeah, we will see how it goes. There is another guy in the garage, so I will ask him and see if he's got a functioning bearing race puller. So we will see. Let's just get started. So as you just saw, this solution on this one did not work well. I did another try and I have cleaned the surface, so no sandblasting sand or anything like that. But it looks like I will have to go the old school way. So I will try and cut maybe something like this, but I will do my best to avoid touching the shaft. So out with the angle grinder. Here we have the rear left hub, and I carefully put it in the vise, and I will make a cut something like this. And in case I don't feel safe trying to go all the way through, which I probably won't, then I will open this box, which contains a Dremel copy, and I will use a small grinding pin and finish it off. So I have managed to remove all the inner bearing races. So the next task is to clean up this surface slightly, so that I don't damage the lip of the seal right away. These are much better. I might do something, we will see. But at least we are moving forward. And let me show you what's going on in the lathe. So this might look bad, but this piece has a centering hole which this one connects to, and this one is rotating inside this, and this one is steering this, which is also connected here. So hopefully this should be okay. And I'm running at low RPM. So this is the result after the work in the lathe. I started with 1500, 800 and then 600. So I started at the finest paper and then went more and more coarse. So I will continue with this the next time. There is still a small lip. You can't feel it with your skin, but with the nail there is something. The front ones don't really need anything, but the rear ones did. So I will do that, continue the next time. So we managed to remove the inner bearing races, all four, so that's good. And I was able to find things so that I could put up the rear hubs in the lathe. And yeah, I will just have to continue the next time. After cleaning up the mating surface for the lip of the seal, I will put a light coat of zinc primer on all the areas which are not being painted with the foliatic epoxy paint, or like the shaft surface that needs to be behind the bearing, or some sort of grease. The scratches that I made on the shafts with the angle grinder, they are too bad, but they won't really change the strength of the pieces. The only bad result of this could be that there's an edge that will catch the bearing when I push them on, and we will have a local sort of high spot. But I will have a look at that. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, stay safe, take care. Bye bye.